Life is good, yeah, do it. We turn up a blunt. Life is good, hey, we do what we want. We do what we want. Da, 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 da. Life is good, hey. Through the hills and valleys, too. We just keep rolling. Hips are burning. They're awake. Incredibly strong hips. Incredibly tough mindset. Tough minded optimist. Tough minded optimism. Get you up hills like that easily and effortlessly. Maybe a little bit out of breath, but you know. But before you say anything, as I'm catching my breath, what I feel is another major decline coming up next. I love this part. Kind of wakes you up a little bit, gets your body moving, gets you thinking. This nice long hill. Oh, up the hill we go. Do it backwards. Pick myself up and dust myself off. Start all over. Oh, this is a great hill. Some blood flowing to my heart, my legs. Yeah, buddy. We on it today. When you truly appreciate the things that you already have, you find a level of peace and you take care of those things to your utmost ability. It's a sign of appreciation that you keep your things in pristine, as much pristine as you possibly can, shape. It shows once again that appreciation for the things that are already here in the present. So as I get some nice sun on my back and on my shoulders and on my face, we all know that vitamin D is crucial to longevity, and this is just another way to get it. I just chose to multitask everything. Thank you guys so much for following and watching me go through a pretty peaceful Sunday. I usually go for a hike, kind of an active recovery day. Still gonna paint today. And thank you for coming to my YouTube channel to watch me kind of live life and vlog it out, right? So it would do me a great favor if you could like and subscribe and also put the word out that, hey, if we're going to vlog and show people's lives, let's enjoy it. Let's show the things that are not always the most glamorous parts of life, but the things that make us us, the fabric that makes us, right? So once again, thank you so much for coming to this channel and watching me paint. Thank you for enjoying the nature walks that we take together. I appreciate it. Hopefully you get out there and be strong too. Thank you.